Ever wondered about the placement records of top engineering colleges in India? Imagine stepping into the shoes of a fresh graduate, diploma in hand, ready to embark on a thrilling journey of professional life. What factors would you consider while making a decision about your future career path? The reputation of the institution, the quality of education, and of course, the placement records. In the world of engineering, the placement records of colleges often serve as a testament to the quality of education they provide. They reflect not just the opportunities available to students post-graduation, but also the faith that industry giants place in these institutions. Dive into the placement records of top engineering colleges in India, and you'll find a treasure trove of promising prospects. Key recruiters like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are not just names on a list, but gateways to lucrative job opportunities. Salary packages offered by these tech giants range from an impressive 1.4 crore to an average of 13.2 lakh per annum. Now, picture yourself as a student at institutions like the Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, or IIT Kanpur, or even Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani. These colleges have seen their students placed in esteemed companies like Uber, Adobe, and Goldman Sachs. These aren't just jobs, they're stepping stones to a thriving career, opportunities to make a mark in the industry. The placement records of these top engineering colleges aren't merely numbers, they're real-life success stories waiting to unfold. They offer valuable insights for students seeking to make informed decisions about their future paths, painting a picture of what lies beyond the realm of textbooks and examinations. So, what does this all boil down to? The placement records of top engineering colleges in India showcase a promising landscape of opportunities. They reflect not just the caliber of the students, but also the faith that leading industry players place in these institutions. They're a mirror to the lucrative job opportunities that await students post-graduation, serving as a guiding light for those ready to step into the professional world. To sum up, the placement records highlight the promising job prospects offered by top engineering colleges in India. They show the faith placed by industry giants in these institutions and the lucrative packages offered, paving the way for a successful career. So as you stand at the crossroads of your career, remember to consider these records as a significant factor in making an informed decision about your future.